Akash Sharma here from Traders Guide Live. I hope you guys are doing well. Guys, today we'll discuss like how you can use our indicator, whatever you have purchased, RAVAN Screener or one AI, how you can use on our, you know, mobile, right? So for that you need to first open the TradingView application, right? Once you open the TradingView application, at the default screen you will get like this, right? In this case, what you have to do, if you are new to TradingView, if you want to share your TradingView username, you need to go to the menu section. You can see here down here. Once you click on menu section, you will see one name written over here, this one, hello underscore traders guide. This is my TradingView username. So whenever you purchase or you try to purchase the indicator, and if I ask for the username, you can find it username from here. Okay, so hello underscore traders guide, that is my username. Same similar, you will have your own resume name over there. Okay, so I hope it's clear. And after that, giving the username, I will be providing you the indicator access. Once I provide you the indicator access, what you need to do, you need to just reopen the application. Here I have just removed the application and I am just reopening the application. After giving the access, you have to make sure you do this step, right? Once you reopen the application, you need to go to the chart section, right? Once you go to your chart section, you will see like your previous indicator which you have used, that will be almost placed on the chart. What you have to do, you have to remove that, both indicators whatever you applied. Let's say example, you have applied this RSI indicator. So once you click on this indicator part, you will see the dustbin option, the delete option. Once you click on that, the indicator will be removed. You can see here above, the super trend is already applied. Once you click on this super trend and click on the delete option, it will also get delete. Right now, it's part how you can apply our indicator. You need to go to the settings part. Once you go to the settings part, you will find the indicator section. Here I clicked on the indicator section. Here you will find the last option, invite only. In some case you will get screen like this. Default you are on some technicals or for that part, you need to click on this back arrow. You can see here upper left corner. Once you click on that back arrow, you will get this option, and that you have to click on invite only. Once you click on this invite only, you can see here all whatever indicator you have purchased. If you have purchased RAVAN Screener, if you have purchased one area, if you have purchased any of the indicator, invite only indicator, you will get the list over here, right? In this, suppose let's say example, you have purchased RAVAN Screener indicator. So for applying our main two indicators, you need to apply RAVAN 2.0 screener. Click once on the, it will be automatically get applied on the chart. After that, if you want to use TGADX, click single once, it will be automatically get applied on the chart. The third indicator, RAVAN alerts, that is that can be used alternatively, because we cannot apply more than two indicators on the chart, right? So if you want to use RAVAN alerts, remove TGADX from the chart and apply RAVAN alerts from the means this invite only section. And once the RAVAN alert is set, you know, no need to keep that indicator on the chart. That alert indicator will work in background. Okay, and after that you can apply the TGADX. Now let's go to the chart section. You can see here, this is the chart section, and the indicator has been applied. You can see the performance of the indicator. It's very awesome. Okay, here you get multiple features and everything. For detail how to use specific indicator, we already created video and share with you, so you can refer that video. And one thing I need to discuss, once you apply the same indicator on the chart, you need to go to the again settings section, like this. Once you click on settings section, you will find the unnamed or whatever layout name over here. You can see here. Here you need to click on drop down list and click on save button. You can see the first option, save. Once you click on save button, whenever you turn off your TradingView application, and whenever you turn on the TradingView application, once you go to the chart section, on default you will get my indicator. Okay, so make sure you every time save the layout. Okay, and now everything is clear. Still, if you have confusion, feel free to call me. And thanks for your time. And if you are new to my channel, please like, share, subscribe, share my indicator technology with your friend circle, and I'll be here to support. Okay, and guys, this is the live market, you can see. Okay, so everyone is asking for live market video, so this is live market video only. Okay, thank you, thanks for your time.